Good morning, Interboro. Please rise and salute the flag. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Now, stay tuned for this edition of Kaleidoscope.
Hello, I'm Julie Tran, and welcome to this week's edition of Kaleidoscope. Seniors, if you have yet to complete the Senior Progress Google form, please do so today. We need you to indicate your plans after graduation. You can locate the Google form in the Schoology Senior Group page and in your email. The Europe trip is selling fun pasta to fundraise for our trip. What is fun pasta? They make pasta shaped like every holiday, lots of sports teams, animals, and more. These make great last-minute holiday gifts or just to get you through quarantine. The fundraiser ends January. Thank you.
Reminder, while school is virtual, keep up to date on your Schoology pages. Manage your time wisely. Go to the Study Cafe, offered by the Guidance Department on their Schoology page. Don't forget to attend class Zooms and visit teacher office hour. Even though during virtual learning, there are many distractions to keep you from your classes, and it might seem like a good idea to pick up the Xbox controller, that instead you get what you put in with virtual learning. So don't forget to stay focused.
Do you know a teacher or staff member at the high school that has been going above and beyond during online teaching? Well, here is the place to shout them out. If you go to the PBIS course in Schoology, you'll see upcoming last call for December staff shoutouts. If you click on that, it'll take you to a staff shoutout Google form. Here is where you can fill out a staff shoutout for any of those teachers. You can also submit more. Just keep resubmitting the form. We hope you'll take a few moments to shout out some of your favorite staff and employees at the high school.
My name is Zack. Welcome back to my movie reviews. Today I'm going to be reviewing the original Rocky movie. If you're from Pennsylvania, you had to have seen the Rocky movies. I've seen all of them. Rocky 2 is my favorite. But this is a good one. It's about him training to fight Apollo Creed. Rocky Balboa training to fight Apollo Creed. His coach, his trainers, Mickey. Love Mickey. Great character. I'm going to give it a solid 8 out of 10. I'll give it an 8 out of 10. It's a good movie. You should watch it if you haven't seen it. A lot of people have seen it. But yeah, watch it. Bye.